Kitty and me, eh, eh. Extra fun fixes in the song. Add some sugar for a yummy treat. Stir it and mix it and mark it with C. Then bake it up for Kitty and me, eh, eh. Dad, pat a cake, make it round. Bake it up until it's golden brown. Sprinkle some frosting and mark it with D. Then share it with Doggy and me, eh, eh. Pat a cake, let's have fun. Mix the batter and watch it run. Swirl it and twirl it and mark it with E. Then bake it up for Elephant and me, eh, eh. Pat a cake, chocolate delight. Stir it up till it looks just right. Roll it and shape it and mark it with F. Then bake it up for Fox and myself, eh, eh. Pat a cake, let's make more. Stack them high to the ceiling floor. Layer and frost it and mark it with G. Then serve it up for Grandma and me, eh. Pat a cake, big and small. Make tiny cakes or one so tall. Mix it and bake it and mark it with H. Then save a slice for the whole family page.